Welcome to Cooking with Bender. My name is Shane and this is Bender. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite snacks, a taco ring. You're going to need a pound of ground beef, shredded cheese, taco seasoning, 2 cans crescent rolls, and a clove of garlic. Alright, you want to start off by chopping the clove of garlic and put it in the pan, followed by the hamburger meat. You only really need half a pound of burger meat for this, but I'm going to cook a full pound and use the other half for something else. Now that the meat is brown, you want to drain it and put it back in the hot pan. Alright, now that it's drained, you want to empty the seasoning packet into the meat, followed by 3/4 cup of water. Stir and then let it simmer and thicken up. Alright, now that it's nice and thick, you want to add some cheese across the top, stir it in real good, and then take it off the heat and let it cool down for about 10 minutes. This will give you a much thicker consistency that you need to get it to hold shape while wrapping it. And now is a good time to start preheating your oven to 375. Alright, you want to open up your can of crescents and separate them into the triangles and put them all off to the side. Alright, you want to start forming a ring with each triangle, make them overlap, like this. So it could have a little bit of tearing, just try to push it back together where it does tear. At the most, you ever want 3 layers overlapping, but preferably you just want 2. And I messed up a little bit here. It should be big enough to use both rolls, but I'm going to be using about a roll and a half. And the last couple of pieces you want to tuck under the first one like so. Now I'm just going to try to even out the circle a little bit better, and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, You want to put a layer of cheese around the center of the ring, like so. This will help absorb any grease and keep the bottom from getting soggy during cooking. Alright, now that the meat's cooled down a little bit, you want to start spooning it in on top of the cheese, going around in the circle. Be sure not to overstuff it here. You want to make sure that you're going to be able to fold the triangles over and around later. And if you're going to add any onions or bell peppers, now's a good time too. Alright, and I can add some more cheese and any other toppings except for sour cream. Do not add sour cream. Now that we're good on the toppings, you want to start folding the triangles over and tucking them up underneath. You want to do this all the way around, and there'll be small gaps on the sides, and that's perfectly fine. Alright, now you want to add some more cheese and then pop it in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. And now we're going to snuggle Lilly because Bender's being antisocial. Alright, when it's done, just let it cool down for about 5 minutes, then dig in. Should serve 2-3 people pretty easy. This is a pretty tasty dish that looks a little complicated, but really is super easy to make, as you can see. If you try this dish, comment below and let me know how it went. And if there's something else you'd like me to try out, let me know too. Until next time, have a great day.